couldn't find my black flip-flop.
Today's Sunday and I was working on vlogs this morning, but right now it's about 3 p.m. and I haven't eaten, so I'm starving, and Maria hasn't eaten, so she's starving. So I'm gonna pick her up and we're probably gonna grab a bite to eat.
Can you not?
Yeah. Whoa.
I think every time they would show like a different food.
What's wrong?
I think I'm done. I have hiccups. I think it's done.
It doesn't just go away like that. No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does. Don't leave that filming me. Oh my god. I have to fix my hair.
I'll get one of those mounts on Amazon so I can just hook my camera right into it. Pretty you are.
It's not funny. Why are you recording me? Ew. Oh my god.
Forward like that.
No, because then I can't breathe.
No!
Oh god, don't do that.
You're supposed to scare people with the hiccups.
It doesn't work. I don't know why you keep trying to scare me.
Because you jump every time.
Okay, that hurts my head when you scream.
Sunday, I basically worked on vlogs all day because I have been so behind. I think this is the most that I have ever been behind because I have all of the vlogs shot. I've been shooting every single day, but I just have had no time to edit whatsoever. So most of the morning I just spent editing vlogs, and then around 3, Maria and I went to Panera because I hadn't eaten all day and I was so hungry. Yeah, we basically just got Panera and then hung out at her house. I think that was all I did. And I continued to work on vlogs actually at her house because I really need to catch up. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.